Alam mo ba na kapag inalis, nilipat o sinira mo ang mohon, ay maaari kang makasuhan? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Hello guys, this is Engineer Earl Gulmatico, your engineering and surveying partner. Ang mohon is not just a piece of concrete na pwede mong alisin or ilipat anytime you want. Once na ilagay na ito ng isang licensed geodetic engineer, that mohon becomes a valid and legal boundary marker. And altering or destroying that boundary marker is considered a criminal act under crimes against property. Kasi meron tayong batas about altering boundaries or landmarks which can be found in Article 313 of the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. That any person who shall alter the boundary markers shall be punished by, number 1, arresto minor, which is imprisonment for 1 to 30 days. Number 2, a penalty or a fine of up to 20,000 pesos. And number 3, both imprisonment and a fine as determined by the court. So what should you do if you see your neighbor moving a boundary marker or a mohon? Syempre, unang-una, gather evidence. Take photos or videos na ginagalaw yung inyong mga mohon. And if possible, secure witnesses. Then report to the barangay para masettle ka agad. Then seek assistance from a licensed geodetic engineer to conduct a relocation survey to confirm kung na-move ba talaga ang mohon or namalikmata ka lang. If unresolved at the barangay level, you may elevate the case to the DNR, DAR, or to the court depending on the circumstances. Kaya wag talaga natin galawin yung mga mohon na yan because altering a boundary marker is a criminal offense. So that's it for today. For more videos like this, please follow my page. Thank you and God bless.